Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I wanted to show you how to assemble a 3D printed mask. So first off you have to obviously 3D print the parts of the mask, and there will be three pieces. So the main piece, then like a cover for the front, and then a back piece. These are the three pieces that you'll need to 3D print. I did not design these pieces, but I downloaded them from the internet. So to assemble this mask, the first thing you'll have to do is to put the front on and just press until you hear a noise. Okay, so now it's tight and it won't come off until you pull, unless you pull really hard, okay. So you just need to press it on and the front is done. Next you'll need to put your filtering material inside here. I don't have some filtering material, but just to demonstrate it I'll use some cotton. Let's say if you have, you should use filters that are able to filter really small particles, but this is just to demonstrate how it's done. So I'm just going to fill it up a bit. Okay. Next you have to close your filter with this last piece. You just have to put it in and press. Okay, so now you see we have our filter and our mask. The next step is that since this mask, I've noticed that it's not really tight to your face and doesn't give a good seal or produce a good seal, you need something to create a seal. I'm just going to use this, which I found in my house. Okay, so this next clip is a bit sped up, and what I do in this clip is basically apply the rubber strip to the inside of the mask, like this. When we will then place the mask over our head, it will create a nice seal, which won't allow air to enter from the sides, but only from the filter, which will filter it. I'm using a hot glue gun to put everything together. And now I think it's a good moment to say that I do not know if this mask does actually work and is able to stop all the viruses and bacterias, but I believe it's better than nothing, and it was just a cool experiment to try and print it and assemble it. So the last step to assemble the mask is to just put something to hold it up to your face. You could use anything, strings or anything, but I'm going to use rubber bands since it's the only thing I found in my house, and mostly because they're easy to find. The first step is to just pass the rubber band through a hole of the mask, and once you've pulled it through, you can just pass the end of the elastic inside the elastic itself and then pull, and this will basically create a knot to hold it together. Next you can just put it in the other hole on the opposite side of the mask and just pass the elastic through, and then just do a double knot or something to hold it together. While I do this, I would just like to remember to you that this mask has not been tested and it's not known if it does actually work and prevent viruses and microbes from spreading. I just want to say this because if you want to use this mask, just do it at your own risk. As you can see, the elastic band is quite tight, but there's an easy fix. You could just put two rubber bands together and make it longer. So now let's do the same thing on the opposite side with another elastic band. Okay, so this is the end product. I'm really happy of how the mask came out. I've had a lot of fun building it and it was really cool to build it. If you want to build this mask, you can find the files on Thingiverse. I did not design it. And be sure to stay at home and be safe. And if you've enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you on our next video.